How to get WhatsApp Meta AI. For those who actually don't know, WhatsApp is actually now owned by Meta. So in order to use to all we need to do is make sure that we are having the latest version of WhatsApp. If you don't have, then you can go ahead and open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and then search for WhatsApp. If you see any update button instead of open, then that means you have to update your app so that you can enjoy the latest features on it. Once you have updated your WhatsApp Messenger, just proceed over our WhatsApp with that tap on open button. Make sure to log in on your WhatsApp account, and once done, you have to open any preferred community chats. For that, you can select communities and you can open any community chat. So once you open the chat, you need to tap on the chat icon and then you can easily type in @Meta AI. So now what this will show you is the option to access the Meta AI chatbot in your specific WhatsApp group and to also send some prompts and use the AI software depending on what you want now. If you can see it on your WhatsApp, then you don't need to be worried about that. Just you have to be aware that WhatsApp only periodically rolls out this update on selected devices and selected users. If your country doesn't have this option, then you have to just patiently wait until it gets available on your country also. And once it gets available, then you can easily use WhatsApp Meta AI on a device as well. So you have to keep watching for the updates on WhatsApp for time to time. So that is how we can easily get WhatsApp Meta AI. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.